I want to show y'all a little trick I did. I was having a difficult time reaching my glad hand bracket that was right here, because whenever you try to reach for it, you got to lean across sometimes a very dirty truck to reach your glad hands to hook up your trailer. So it's a little bit far. So I unbolted it from that location and I put a aluminum plate, drilled some holes in it, and bolted my bracket onto or my my contraption there onto that aluminum plate. I tried to buy a bracket from Volvo because I've seen them on other Volvos, but this particular model doesn't have that bracket, or they couldn't find it. So anyway, that's the little tip that I'm giving you guys. If you are in the same situation as me, where you're not extremely tall and you can't quite reach your glad hands, and you want a solution to put them within reach in a nice, neat way. Anyway, that's what I did right there. Very cheap. Scrap aluminum. Took me about 10 minutes.